Imagine you are the manager of a small bakery that specializes in sourdough bread. There are only 3 ovens in your kitchen, and every morning your bakers arrive early to knead, shape, and bake loaves for the day's customers. Your ovens, kitchen space, and the number of tables for dough are all fixed in the short run. These are your fixed inputs because you can't quickly add or remove them without significant changes or investment. In the short run, your costs can be divided into 2 categories: fixed and variable. Fixed costs are things like oven depreciation, monthly rent, and salaried workers. No matter how many loaves you bake today, these costs don't change. Variable costs, on the other hand, include flour, water, yeast, and the wages of extra helpers you hire only when you have lots of orders. Variable costs change directly with the number of loaves you decide to make that day. For example, if there's a street fair nearby and you expect to sell twice as many loaves, you'll buy twice as much flour and maybe bring in part-time helpers. However, you still only have 3 ovens, so there's a limit. The fixed inputs cap your output. Trying to push beyond the capacity of your fixed inputs, you'll notice something called diminishing marginal returns. As more workers crowd around those 3 ovens, they get in each other's way, and each additional worker adds less to total output than the one before. Variable costs rise faster, and total costs start to climb steeply. Now, imagine business is booming and you see a long-term opportunity. In the long run, you aren't stuck with 3 ovens or your current kitchen. You can move to a warehouse, buy 6 new ovens, expand your countertops, and redesign your bakery for optimal flow. All inputs are variable. In the long run, you design a bakery that's perfect for the volume you want to produce. Your costs behave differently now. There's no true division into fixed and variable costs since you can alter everything. This also means economies of scale become possible. By buying flour in bulk, purchasing energy-efficient ovens, and training full-time staff, your average cost per loaf can decrease as output grows. But there's a limit. Even in the long run, you may eventually reach diseconomies of scale, where growing too big makes coordination harder and average costs begin to rise again. Understanding the difference between short-run and long-run costs is crucial for planning. In the short run, your main concern is maximizing output with your current resources and controlling variable costs. In the long run, you focus on adjusting your scale of production, selecting the best mix of inputs, and minimizing average costs over time. Whenever you make decisions about production, always ask, what time frame are you in? Are your inputs fixed, or can you change everything? The answer will guide which costs you can control and how you find your most efficient level of production.